Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting power and compatibility right. Charge the Beats Solo3 to at least 50% so the battery won't drop mid-pairing. Then, make sure your iPad is on the latest iOS to avoid software mismatches. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the iPad is listening. Also, turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices to prevent conflicts. This reduces pairing errors. Now, place the Beats near the iPad and get ready to put them into pairing mode. You now trigger pairing on the headphones. Hold the power button on the right ear cup for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the Solo3 into pairing mode so the iPad can detect it. Next, look at the iPad Bluetooth list and find Beats Solo3. If it doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh the scan. Tap the Beats name to connect and wait for the iPad to show connected. This sequence establishes the secure Bluetooth link and routes audio. You finish by verifying audio and knowing fixes. Open Control Center and check the audio output. Select Beats if sound isn't playing. If pairing fails, reset the Solo3 by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds, then try pairing again. This clears previous pairings. If problems persist, forget the device in iPad Bluetooth settings and restart the iPad before repairing. One key troubleshooting tip: interference from Wi-Fi or other.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.